Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. Today we will talk about top 30 luxury cars in the world, so make sure to watch the full video. Luxury cars have always been a symbol of prestige, elegance, and power. For car enthusiasts and luxury car buyers, owning a high-end vehicle is not just about getting from point A to point B, but rather a statement of their style and status. In 2023, the luxury car market is expected to continue its upward trend, with new and improved models from some of the most prestigious car brands in the world. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply looking to invest in a luxurious ride, this will provide you with insights into the most prominent luxury car brands of 2023. We will delve into the history, features, and unique selling points of each brand, giving you a glimpse into the elite world of high-end automobiles. 30. W Motors. W Motors is a high-end luxury sports car manufacturer based in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The company was founded in 2012 by Lebanese entrepreneur Ralph R. Devas. W Motors gained international recognition and attention for its ambitious and exclusive supercar projects. One of the most notable creations from W Motors is the Lykan Hypersport, which was unveiled at the Qatar International Motor Show in 2013. The Lykan Hypersport gained widespread attention due to its striking design, high-performance specifications, and limited production run. It was featured in the Furious 7 movie, where it famously crashed through multiple skyscrapers in a dramatic action scene. Some key features of the Lykan Hypersport included a 3.7-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine producing around 780 horsepower, a top speed of over 240 miles per hour, and numerous luxury and high-tech features, including diamond-encrusted headlights. W Motors later introduced the Fenrir Supersport, which is another high-performance hypercar, and the more affordable, all-electric Fenrir Supersport EV. The company has positioned itself as a manufacturer of exclusive and limited edition supercars, catering to a niche market of wealthy enthusiasts. These cars are known for their distinctive designs, high-performance capabilities, and attention to detail. W Motors has also worked on various concept cars and collaborated with other companies in the automotive industry to showcase innovative technologies. It's important to note that my knowledge is based on information available up to September 2023, and I do not have access to real-time data. Therefore, there may have been developments or new releases from W Motors since that time. 29. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo is an Italian luxury car manufacturer that was founded in 1910 in Turin, Italy. The name of the company is a combination of the company's original name, ALFA, Anonima Lombarda Fabbrica Automobili, and the last name of entrepreneur Nicola Rollio, who took over the company in 1915. The Italian automaker has won countless championships, such as the Vanderbilt Cup, Formula One Le Mans, and the Mille Miglia. Yet, it achieved its most famous victory in the difficult Targa Florio event in 1923. The company's racing heritage has also influenced the design of its road cars, with a focus on performance, handling, and precision. Throughout its history, Alfa Romeo has experienced various ownership changes and financial challenges, but it continues to be a symbol of Italian automotive excellence. The brand has a strong following among enthusiasts who appreciate its blend of style, performance, and heritage. 28. McLaren. Whether you're a gearhead or just love cars, our newsletter has you covered. Stay up to date on the latest models, trends, and technologies with our regular updates. McLaren is a British automotive manufacturer that was founded in 1963 by Bruce McLaren. Although McLaren was already widely recognized as one of the best British automakers of all time, the company made waves in 1995 with the release of the McLaren F1 GTR, which rapidly rose to prominence among the best race cars ever made. With the help of the world's top engineers, they built the world's first car capable of exceeding 240 miles per hour with their astounding McLaren F1 model. They haven't slowed down either, consistently producing stunning high-end sports and racing cars year after year. 27. Koenigsegg. Koenigsegg is a Swedish manufacturer that was founded in 1994 by Christian von Koenigsegg. Even though there wasn't much competition for the greatest luxury car in the country at the time, they released some of the world's most luxurious sports cars. Their phenomenal performance at the 1997 Cannes Film Festival cemented their reputation as the greatest in the industry. The company's current Acura R model is among the finest sports luxury automobiles money can buy. The best feature is that it can run on biofuel, making it a beautiful and sustainable purchase for the buyer. 26. Pagani. Pagani is an Italian hypercar manufacturer founded in 1992 by Horacio Pagani. Since their establishment, Pagani has consistently competed with the industry's largest players, earning them a reputation as a top player. Therefore, what began as a tribute to F1 champion driver Juan Manuel Fangio quickly evolved into one of the industry's leaders, and today, anyone who owns a Pagani can confidently state that they made the finest decision possible because there are no compromises when purchasing one this year. 25. Maserati. Maserati is an Italian luxury car manufacturer that was founded in 1914 in Modena, Italy. Initially, Maserati was most known for its racing vehicles, but after teaming up with Chrysler, the brand quickly established itself in the luxury market as well. This has allowed them to become a global leader in the luxury sports vehicle and racing car industries since the 1970s. The company's first SUV, the Levante, was introduced in 2016 and has since been joined by the smaller Grayscale. Maserati has a rich racing heritage, and it has been involved in various motorsports events, including Formula One. The brand's vehicles are known for their distinctive Italian design, luxurious interiors, and performance-oriented engineering. While Maserati has faced ownership changes and financial challenges throughout its history, it remains an iconic symbol of Italian automotive excellence and continues to attract enthusiasts who appreciate its blend of performance and luxury. 24. Lotus Cars. Lotus Cars is a British sports car manufacturer that was founded in 1952 by Colin Chapman. Lotus Cars are really magnificent, and this is where the British have truly excelled. The best aspect about driving a Lotus is that it will always be the talk of the town because they're so unique. The company has also had success in motorsports, particularly in Formula One racing, where it has won 7 Constructors' Championships and 6 Drivers' Championships. The Lotus Elise and Lotus Evero models were unquestionably the most well-received debuts from them, but we should also add the Lotus Excel because it was a pretty hot launch. 23. Polestar. In 2017, Polestar was established as a new, standalone Swedish premium electric vehicle manufacturer. Founded by Volvo Cars and Geely Holding, Polestar enjoys specific technological and engineering synergies with Volvo Cars and benefits from significant economies of scale. The Polestar 1 offers true high-tech luxury motoring for a new era, while the Polestar 2 is the company's more practical transportation option. Imagine a battery-powered BMW 3 Series. This amazingly large 2+2 coupe is powered by hybrid technology and is made of carbon fiber. Polestar represents a significant step toward the electrification of the automotive industry, combining sustainable practices, advanced technology, and performance-oriented design in their vehicles. The brand aims to be a competitive player in the luxury electric vehicle market, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers who value both style and performance. Please note that developments and updates related to Polestar may have occurred after my knowledge cutoff date in September 2023. 22. Chrysler. Chrysler was founded by Walter P. Chrysler in 1925. The company quickly gained a reputation for producing innovative and high-quality vehicles, including the Chrysler 6, which was known for its engineering advancements. In addition to its cars, Chrysler has also produced a range of commercial vehicles, including the Ram pickup truck and the Ram ProMaster van. These vehicles are designed to offer exceptional durability, reliability, and performance, making them popular choices for businesses and commercial fleets. 21. Mini. Mini is a British car brand that is currently owned by the BMW Group. The brand was originally founded in 1959 by the British Motor Corporation, and it quickly became known for producing small, stylish cars with unique designs and excellent handling. These cars are known for their iconic styling, compact size, and sporty driving experience. Despite their small size, many cars are designed to be both practical and efficient, making them popular choices for city drivers and those who want a fun and engaging driving experience. Whether you're looking for a small city car or a more spacious SUV, Mini offers something for motorists who appreciate the great performance and cutting-edge technology. 20. Infiniti. Infiniti is a luxury car brand owned by Japanese automaker Nissan. Infiniti officially started selling luxury vehicles in North America in 1989. Infiniti has a strong presence in the luxury car market, particularly in the United States and Asia. Its cars are designed to offer a premium driving experience with advanced features and high-quality materials. The Infiniti Q60 is the pinnacle of luxury vehicles. It can hold its own against other ultra-luxury sedans. Infiniti is also known for its innovative technologies, such as its direct adaptive steering system, which allows drivers to customize the steering response to their preferences. 19. Lincoln. Lincoln is a luxury vehicle division of the American automaker Ford Motor Company. The brand was founded in 1917 by Henry M. Leland and acquired by Ford in 1922. In recent years, Lincoln has undergone a significant transformation, focusing on modernizing its design language and offering more advanced technology and features. The three-row Navigator is the brand's flagship model. The 2023 Lincoln Navigator is a benchmark in the large luxury car market. The small Corsair and the mid-size Aviator are two stylish crossovers that lie below that range topper and signal the brand's return to conventional names. 18. Acura. Acura is a luxury vehicle division of the Japanese automaker Honda. The brand was launched in 1986 and was the first luxury brand for a Japanese automaker. The majority of Acura automobiles combine compelling performance, affordable prices, and a wealth of standard equipment. That fulfills many requirements for bargain hunters. The Acura lineup currently includes the ILX, TLX, and RLX sedans and the RDX and MBX SUVs. The brand has won numerous awards for its vehicles, including multiple Best Cars for the Money Awards from U.S. News and World Report in 2023. 17. Genesis. Genesis is a luxury vehicle division of the South Korean automaker Hyundai Motor Group. Since launching as a separate company in 2015, Genesis has taken great steps in expanding their product offering. The people who don't mind trying a fresh brand to save money should go for Genesis models. These SUVs and automobiles have luxuriously furnished interiors with a bevy of high-tech features as standard. Quick acceleration and consistent quality are further highlights of the lineup's performance. Genesis wants to be a 100% electric brand by 2030, erasing all use of internal combustion engines from its lineup. 16. Aston Martin. Aston Martin is a British luxury sports car manufacturer founded in 1913 by Lionel Martin and Robert Bamford. The classic automobiles produced by Aston Martin are among the best of the world. But it doesn't end there. The brand new Aston Martin Valkyrie is a prime example of its forward-thinking design. The F1-inspired aerodynamics and styling scream at the world as the 1,139 horsepower V12 engine roars by. While the DB11's V12 engine may send anyone flying back in their seat, the DBX can hold its own against the best luxury SUVs. 15. Land Rover. The company was founded in 1948 and is owned by British multinational car manufacturer Jaguar Land Rover. Land Rover vehicles are built to handle any terrain, whether it's rocky mountains or muddy swamps. They are equipped with terrain response technology, which allows drivers to navigate different types of terrain easily. Land Rover vehicles are known for their rugged design, impressive off-road capabilities, and luxurious interiors. Overall, Land Rover is a brand that offers the perfect combination of luxury and ruggedness. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to take on off-road adventures or a stylish SUV for daily use, Land Rover has something to offer. Land Rover is a respected brand with a strong presence in the luxury SUV market. Its vehicles are favored by outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and those who require reliable and capable transportation in challenging conditions. As of my last knowledge update in September 2023, Land Rover continued to evolve its lineup, embracing electric and hybrid technologies to meet changing environmental standards and customer demands. 14. Lexus. The last few years have seen a rise in the popularity of Japanese luxury vehicles in the US. Lexus is a luxury vehicle brand owned by the Japanese automaker Toyota Motor Corporation. The brand was first introduced in 1989 with the launch of the Lexus LS400, a full-size luxury sedan. Their F line is particularly amazing, but if you want something that will really burn up the asphalt, we suggest opting for the F Sport versions. Its goal of being carbon neutral by 2050 is interesting, but its goal of becoming fully battery electric by 2035 is a big target for a brand that is barely making it into the scene. 13. Audi. Audi is known for its commitment to quality, performance, and technology, making it a popular choice among luxury car buyers. The brand's dedication to innovation and its diverse range of vehicles have helped it maintain a strong presence in the global automotive market. Please note that Audi may have introduced new models and technologies since my last knowledge update in September 2023. Audi is a German luxury automotive brand and a member of the Volkswagen Group. The company was founded in 1909 by August Porsche. Audi maintains a top ranking by emphasizing its EV products and new technological features. Audis have well-rounded performance and are outfitted with cutting-edge gadgetry. The brand even offers a high-end sports vehicle, the 2023 R8, that competes favorably. Yet, you don't have to go all out and purchase one of Audi's most expensive models to appreciate the superb craftsmanship and smart design sensibilities of the company. 12. Volvo. Volvo is a Swedish multinational automotive manufacturer that was founded in 1927. The company is known for producing high-quality luxury vehicles that prioritize safety, innovation, and sustainability. Volvo has been a leader in automotive safety for decades, and many of its innovations have become standard features on modern cars. The luxury automaker set out in 2023 to streamline the complex process of building electric vehicles by developing a new mega casting method. Several Volvo vehicles, including the Volvo XC60 and XC90, were included on the IIH Top Safety Pick Plus list as a result of their reliability ratings. 11. Porsche. Porsche is a German luxury car manufacturer that was founded in 1931 by Ferdinand Porsche. Porsche has almost 70 years of experience building high-end luxury vehicles, and as these vehicles are valuable, spending your hard-earned money on one is a wise investment. The German manufacturer has always been competitive, but the Porsche 911 model has helped it become one of its best-selling vehicles due to its relatively low price. The most modern models are available for less than $100,000, and believe us when we say they're worth every penny. 10. Porsche Panamera. The current Panamera has been around since 2016, but a facelift in 2023 kept it feeling as fresh as ever. With an estate Sport Turismo version also available, your dog can savor the luxury too. Like the Porsche 911, the Panamera is a masterclass in evolution ahead of revolution when it comes to its development. And it's clear that the latest Panamera is a logical progression from its predecessor. Thankfully, that means it looks more appealing than the original. The lines have been smoothed out, yet the 911 styling cues remain, while the driving experience has been enhanced to boost its range of ability. It's just as driver-focused as before, so it's a pleasure to drive quickly, and it has performance by the bucket load. But the air suspension can be switched to comfort mode at the press of a button to keep backseat occupants comfortable and unruffled. 9. RollsRoyce Phantom. There's no doubt that the Phantom is an incredible car. It's powered by a 6.75-liter V12 petrol engine, which produces 563 bp and a satisfying 900 Nm of torque. This allows you to plant your right foot and accelerate from a standstill to 62 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds and onto a limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. The price is suitably large to go with the Rolls Grand Dimensions and 21 or 22-inch wheels, as the least you can expect to pay is north of £400,000. If you so much as look at the options list, you will find that this figure heads upwards very quickly. On the road, the Phantom is unbelievably quiet and comfortable, as you would expect, but should you find yourself in the driver's seat, you will have a mixture of features to make sure you enjoy your time there. Firstly, there is four-wheel steering to aid in low-speed maneuvers and high-speed stability. Then there is the air suspension and active roll management to prevent unwanted lurching of the body through the corners, all of which make this enormous car a lot easier to keep under control. 8. RollsRoyce Specter. Charles Rolls predicted electric propulsion would be the future of the car, and more than 120 years later, the RollsRoyce Specter is the first EV to wear the spirit of ecstasy. It also serves as the spiritual successor to the Phantom Coupe de Sang, as well as the start of a new era for the British brand after it pledged to go electric only by the end of the decade. In the meantime, though, if you open the Spectre's huge rear hinge doors, you will see that this four-seat, two-door coupe is awash with the finest leathers, woods, and metals. It's ridiculously hard to find fault in the cabin, but you'd expect that to be the case when you're paying more than £330,000 for a car. The combined power output of the twin motors should prove acceptable to the most discerning driver too, with 577 bp and 900 Nm of torque on tap. There are still some teething troubles though. Refinement is exceptional at cruising speeds, the steering is well judged, and it even claims a range of up to 329 miles on a single charge. However, the suspension causes this 3-ton car to become noticeably unsettled when driving at lower speeds, particularly around town, and the regenerative braking system can be a bit too intrusive. 7. Bentley Continental GT. The Bentley Continental GT is a luxury grand touring coupe that will not break a sweat when being driven across continents, hence the name. Power is plentiful too, with a choice of either a 542 bp V8 or 650 bp W12 engine, although production of Bentley's 12-cylinder motor will come to an end in 2024. The interior is a treat for anyone lucky enough to sit inside, with inspiration taken from the wings of the Bentley badge. The dashboard, for example, wings majestically out from the central console, before continuing into the door trims, circling the occupants with a ring of wood and leather. Along with the lavish design, the cabin features an array of technology, including bang-up-to-date infotainment and safety systems. There's also a bundle of chassis tech that helps give the Continental GT its great driver feeling on the road. 6. RollsRoyce Ghost. When it comes to luxury and refinement, the RollsRoyce Ghost delivers in spades. There are only two parts carried over from the previous model: the spirit of ecstasy that sits atop the bonnet, and the umbrellas hidden within the doors. The Ghost is based on Rolls-Royce's latest aluminum chassis, which it calls its architecture of luxury. It can also be found beneath the Cullinan SUV, flagship Phantom, and even the all-electric Specter. Although perhaps a little less conspicuous than its Phantom sibling, the Ghost is still 5 meters long and 2.5 tons in weight, so it could hardly be called understated. You shouldn't have to worry about merging from slip roads, as the Ghost's 6.75-liter V12 petrol engine produces 563 bp, which allows a 0-62 miles per hour time of 4.8 and a 155 miles per hour top speed. 5. Mercedes S-Class. The long-serving S-Class still offers one of the most refined and relaxing driving experiences on sale. Vibrations through the pedals and steering wheel are non-existent, and even at motorway speeds, you won't hear any whine or tire roar. You float along, unaware of the imperfections of the road surface, as the Mercedes simply soaks up the lumps and bumps as if they were never there to begin with. Add to this engine so quiet, you will regularly be convinced the start/stop system has cut in and a silky smooth 9-speed automatic gearbox, and you have the ultimate luxury combination. There is no surprise that the long wheelbase model is all about the rear seat, which comes with enough legroom to kick back and watch other road users drive past in their lesser vehicles. Should even that be too stressful, the seats come with heating and massaging features to take comfort up another notch. 4. Range Rover. It might not look all that different from the model it replaced, but the latest Range Rover is quite simply the finest example of a full-blown luxury 4x4 on sale today. Our 2023 Luxury Car of the Year offers up a wider range of powertrains, increased comfort, and more impressive onboard technology than its predecessor. In fact, there's an all-electric Range Rover due to arrive in 2024. That's not to say the Range Rover has gone soft as it focuses more and more on being a luxurious SUV. It's still just as capable on a cross-continent motorway journey as it is plowing through a muddy field. And while it's bigger than ever, it's also surprisingly nimble at low speeds thanks to the addition of rear-wheel steering. Unsurprisingly, the Range Rover is by far the most practical car on this list. With the extra height this SUV has over its rivals, it feels truly massive in the back. The new standard fit air suspension lowers the car to 8 access too, a helpful touch considering how tall it is. With over 700 liters of boot space and the option of a 7-seat LDMB version, your whole family can travel in the lap of luxury. 3. Bentley Flying Spur. Luxury and performance are synonymous with Bentley Motor Cars, and the Flying Spur is the brand's small 4-door limousine. It uses an extended version of the Continental GT Coupe's platform and comes with the choice of a V6 plug-in hybrid, a 4.0-liter V8, or a 6.0-liter W12 engine. No matter which engine you choose, this 2-ton-plus saloon delivers a sub-5-second 0-62 miles per hour time. Naturally, the W12 offers the highest top speed at 207 miles per hour. The Flying Spur offers majestic levels of refinement, and it's so well insulated and refined that even the roar of the twin-turbo 6.0-liter W12 engine is merely an underlying soundtrack. As with all Bentleys, the Flying Spur is beautifully finished inside with the finest wood and leather trim, so occupants can be carried in supreme comfort at high speeds. Bentley's Mulliner customization program also means you could have your Flying Spur specified to your every whim. 2. Range Rover Sport. The standard Range Rover was a pioneer for the luxury SUV market and is still a hugely impressive car. But the Range Rover Sport adds in a key element that's a bit less common in this segment: a fun factor. Considering that this large SUV weighs 2.3 tons, the Range Rover Sport offers a genuinely engaging drive with admirable capability in both performance and handling. The steering is precise, the air suspension keeps the car's weight in check when cornering, and the diesel, petrol, and PHEV powertrain options will all launch the Sport from 0-62 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds or less. The new 627-butt version, called the Range Rover Sport SV, turns things up to 11 and will hit 62 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Perhaps the best quality of the latest Range Rover Sport, though, is that this performance and engagement don't come at the expense of luxury. The air suspension works with active noise cancellation technology to keep things calm and refined when you want them to be. There's plenty of room for up to 5 passengers, too, and the materials and technology have been massively improved over the previous model. The Sport blends these qualities so seamlessly that it has beaten its sibling to become our 2023 large premium SUV of the year. 1. BMW i7. The exterior design of the latest 7 Series is certainly cause for debate, but what cannot be denied is that it is a highly impressive luxury car. Opting for the all-electric i7 improves the package even further, and it's such a fantastic luxury experience that we've named it our Luxury Car of the Year for 2023. It's on the road where the i7 outshines its combustion-powered sibling. While the standard 7 Series air suspension and excellent soundproofing mean it's already a very well-refined car, the i7's electric powertrain enhances these qualities even further. Not only is it incredibly quiet to drive, but the power is delivered in a very smooth and linear fashion. exactly what you'd expect from a car in this class. Meanwhile, the cabin of the i7 is filled with technology and has acres of space and a real sense of occasion. Plus, quality feels worthy of the £100,000 plus price tag. As you might expect, the options list for the i7 is pretty huge and includes an upgraded Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system, reclining lounge-style seating and rear window blinds, among other luxuries. The flagship EV's true party piece is a 31-inch 8K theater screen that folds down from the roof. Behind the front seats, however, it will cost you more than £4,000 to add. Of course, sitting around and waiting for an EV to charge is far from a luxurious experience. So BMW has addressed this by fitting the i7 with a huge 101.7 kilowatt-hours battery that allows for a range of up to 388 miles, depending on your chosen spec. All i7s are capable of sub-5-second 0-62 miles per hour times. But if you are in a particular hurry, there's a performance-oriented M Sport version available with 537 bp on tap. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.